Hey Austin, tell our art friends what we're going to draw today.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. Oh, I love apple pie, especially with ice cream. For this lesson, you need a marker or something to draw with.
Some paper.
And
Something to color with.
something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to draw the pie tin at the bottom. We're going to draw 2 lines on the outside of our paper. So we're going to draw one over here. And watch this, out on the side or down at the bottom, we're going to draw it coming in. And we're going to draw them the same length. Yeah, that's a good spot. Good. Now at the very bottom, let's draw a line that's curved and connects them at the bottom. Let's also draw one at the top that's curved and connects the top across to the other side. Good job. Now the reason why we drew them round or curved like that is so it looks more 3D. Now let's draw the crust for our pie. This is the tasty part. We're gonna draw a curve that goes like this, comes up, and then it's gonna be wavy all the way across the other side and then curve back in.
Wow.
Yeah. And then draw wavy. Good job. Oh, you did a great job. You're a good chef. Well, a good artist. We're not really cooking pies, are we? Now we're going to draw the top of our pie. We're going to draw a rainbow line. It starts over here, goes up like this, and then curves back down on the other side. I like how tall your pie is. Now, a lot of times on pie, the chef needs to cut little slits to let all of the heat out. Okay, so we're gonna start right here. We're gonna draw a raindrop shape right in the middle. Then, yes, now let's draw another raindrop shape that's kind of off to the side. See how it's diagonal? Yeah, there you go. And then we draw another one on the other side. So there's 3. Good job. Now we finished our pie, but let's add a few more details. First, we need to draw the steam coming out of our pie. So I'm going to draw a S curve that comes up like that. Yeah, and then we can come back down.
Whoa.
Is that cool? And then I crossed over it too. Good job. Now we could do one. Let's do another one over here, and then I'm going to come back down, and we'll do one more. I'm going to do another one on this side too. Oh, now it looks really steamy and delicious. Oh, are you going to add one more? I really like the steam. This is an apple pie, so let's draw an apple that's behind it. We're going to use overlapping, so we're only going to draw part of the apple. We're going to draw a circle that comes up and around and then connects back into the side. Good job. Now, right here, let's draw a stem coming out of the top. And then we can also draw the bottom, a curve for the bottom or the top of the apple where the stem's coming out. And then you can have those connected. You can draw a little, there you go. And then let's draw a leaf attached to the stem. So I'm going to draw a little curve that comes out like that. Out and then back in. And then you can also draw the middle of the leaf too if you want. Now let's draw one more apple. I'm going to draw it right here. And this time I'm only going to draw only part of it. Look at that. We only drew like a rainbow line because the whole apple, almost all of the apple is being covered up by this one and also the pie. Yeah. Now let's repeat the same steps. I'm going to draw another stem coming out of that one. And we can draw a little curve on the apple. And we can also draw a leaf coming out on the other side. So a little curve. Yeah. And then let's draw the middle of the leaf. And we did it, Austin. We finished our apple pie. Does it look delicious?
Yeah.
Now it's gonna look even better once we do what?
Color it.
Color it. Now this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring.
Give me 5 Dad.
We did a great job on our coloring, did we? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I love how yours turned out. It looks super tasty. I even love the little highlight that we added to make our apples look shiny. And I also added some shadows or shading to make my drawing look a little more 3D, but you could leave that off to keep this lesson a little easier.
We hope you all have fun drawing your apple pies.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.